look.
Good morning! Or should I say good afternoon?
No.
Come on, buddy, you gotta get up.
No.
Nope.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my god, it's just so funny.
Okay, lick this for me. Thank you. And lick this for me. Doctor, I've done this 200 times. What's the...
Pero esto, pero vamos a ver. ¿Pero qué dices?
Con los trineos y todo, qué cabrón.
No puede ser.
Can I get a... Oh yeah! Fucking beginner, you are fucking, you bloody bastard bitch, fuck you, bloody, fucking mother, bloody fuck bitch, you bloody fuck you.
Here's what water looks like as it passes through different frame rates. At the top it's a smooth 60 frames per second, but as it gets lower it gets choppier and choppier. Just look at how laggy 5 FPS looks, even compared to 15.
На место, Урган. На место, на место.
He was about to yawn, and then he started coughing and he stopped. Now his mouth's just kind of open. But let me see if I yawn, if he'll do it.
It's open. It's open.
I don't go out on dates with guys who don't open the door for me.
Really?
Really?
Seriously?
Yes.
Oh man.
No, he didn't.
Alright, that's that. Right here.
Today I'm gonna show you my special skill.
Crab, please. Crab, scare. Crab, crab. Frighten. Crab, 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 hand, scare, hand, crab, crab, food, frighten, please. Food is hand.
Grab your rat toy over there. The one over there. No, look. Over there.
Oh, I'll just sit on the bench. A couple minutes later, we go to the
What's up? 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 What's up?
Se comincia da di qua, no? La vera tagliata prosciutto, no? Girano così, no? E è questa la mano, e vedi se è questa. Fermati! No così!
Ma perché?
Fermati tutti scaletti!
Ma
non sta fermo che non si fa niente!
Ma vabbè!
Stronzo,